Good afternoon, guys. Sensor transducers, like a different types of sensors. These type of sensors we have to use it for the in real time product or prototype product, real time or prototype. Okay, see that guys. This is a totally sensors. So totally it's a sensors. First one current sensors and gyroscope sensors, level switch, okay, piezo bend sensors and metal detectors. Next, infrared IR sensors, CD cells, that means there is a LDR. Okay, LDR sensor, spiroelectrode detectors, pressure and ultrasonic sensor, limit switch encoder, GPS camera, gas sensors, laser sensors, PIR sensor, UV detectors, IR module receivers, microphones, and magnetic switch, reed switch. Okay, it's a totally number of sensors is there. This is a small nearby sensors. Okay, nearby sensors means you have to small distance. Okay, small distance and small range and small low voltage consumptions sensors. So, okay, it's totally sensors. These sensors we have to definition. See that guys, transfer the device chat cannot the primary from the energy into the corresponding to the signal with the different energy from the primary energy from the mechanical, thermal, electromagnetic, optical, chemical. That means every electronic device as a electronics as a mechanical systems, it's converted to electronic equipments. Okay, it's primary. And next, go for sensors, then block diagram, real world and sensor intelligent electronic systems. That means this real world, that means sensors is name acquires information from the real world. That means in purpose of sensors, the what the purpose. The sensor is that we have to detecting some object. Okay, we are detecting some object at the range or sunlight. Okay, that is a sensor. After that we have to use it for the output device. Okay, input and output. Typical typically sensor systems, real world, that means input and sensors and A to D signals. Okay, these signals A to D converters. A to D converter means analog to digital converters. So these analog to digital converters, every sensors we have to maintain two different parts. One is the analog, another one is the digital. Okay, analog means already have to discussing some analog communications. Analog means entire input or output, that means logic 0 and logic 1. Okay, after that we have to convert it to digital conversions. Digital conversions means we are using some point 0.1, point 0.2, point 0.3, point 0.4 values. Okay, exact values. Okay, next, performance of the terminologies already had to discussing yesterday. Range and non-linearity, bit bands, responsibility, sensitivity, frequency, ranges, each and everything. Okay, already have to discuss some each and everything. So but we have to practical knowledge for the each and every sensors. Already how to discussing after lockdown we have continued for the classes. You have to any doubt contact to me, no problem. Each sensors within range and operating voltage, then values and exact values and the exact working process, I have to explain each and everything. But each sensors we have to maintain certain input and output devices. Every sensor is a input device, not a output device. Okay, next, go for second. Okay, next, displacements and position and proximity sensors. Displacements and positions and proximity sensors. Displacement sensors are connected with the measurement of the amount by which some object has moved. Okay, displacement sensor means we can object move. That means LED or LCD, LED or LCD, liquid crystal display or light emitting diode. There are two types of displays. Okay, that is LED displays or LCD displays. That is a displacement sensors. Okay, next, go for position sensor. Position sensor we are connected with the determinations of position of the same object with a reference to the some reference point. That means IR sensors. What is IR sensor? We have to detect some fixed object or movable object. For position sensor means when any sensors we have to some variable sensors or fixed point sensors is there. That is the position sensors. Examples: uh, ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is a movable object or fixed object. IR sensor is a movable object and fixed object. PIR sensor is a movable object and fixed object. And LDR is a fixed object or movable object. Next, limit switch also movable object. Okay, next go for proximate sensor. Proximate sensor in the form of position sensors, they are used to determine when we object has to move to within some particular circular distance of the sensors. That means these uh, proximate sensors means they are used for some circular means certain range. Okay, certain range. These certain range we have to detect in some proximity sensors. Okay, next go for constant sensors, non-constant sensors. Okay, constant sensor contact sensors and non-conducting sensors. So it is movement of the sensor elements. It is used to case change in the electrical voltage, resistance, capacitance, multiple inductance. Okay, so every contact sensor means we have to find out UV rays. UV rays. UV rays means ultraviolet layers. The ultraviolet layers we have to detect in some either movable object or fixed object. Okay. Next, go for next, potentiometer sensors. Potentiometers nowadays, potentiometer sensors very important of the electronic device because of these potentiometer means we have to working of uh, voltage level voltage variations or level variations. That means, for example, use it for fan. Okay, fan. What is the purpose of fan? Fan is how to rotating some. What fan is the output device, but regulator is the regulator. What is the regulator? Regulator means one of the variations. That means potentiometer. When we are to rotate the potentiometer, voltage is automatically change. Okay, voltage is automatically change. First point, second point, third point. First point we have to use some voltage, second point is we are increasing some voltage, third point is we are increasing some voltage. Okay, when we are to change the voltage levels, fan level is automatically varying. Okay, that is the potentiometer sensors. So v naught by vs equal r23 by r13. That means capacitor resistance values. Okay, v output v naught by vs, that is input and output sensors. So these potentiometer sensors we have to calculating these type of calculations. Next,